Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Sorry about the mess in the campsite. We have been here 3 days in the rain, so, on that note, I also want to give a shout out to Mom's Safety House on eBay. That's where I get my tarps. Helped out a lot. Thank you very much. But yeah, anyways, 3 days of rain. I'm supposed to start back up again around 4 o'clock. That's not good. But yeah, campsite's pretty hit. So, but this is kind of sort of the setup. So I figured I'd give something quick just to show. But yeah, it's pretty rough. We're staying dry. But yeah, again, it's coming in this afternoon, supposedly here shortly. It's already getting dark. But I'll show some more videos later and let you guys see what's going on. We are here at Finley State Park in Ohio. They've got some pretty neat things going on this weekend, so hopefully I can get out and put some videos out and show you guys what's going on. And some of the neighbors are coming in now, so we'll see how crowded we get. Right now it's not too many, but according to the tickets hanging on the post, we're gonna have a lot of people. So I don't know how quiet it's going to be. Of course, they're going to have kids because it has something to do with trick-or-treating. So we'll see how it goes. But I'll walk around a little bit and show you guys some activities. And I mean, the park's really nice. It really is. I enjoy it. Been coming here for years. So yeah, give you some more. Thanks for watching. Thanks.